Welcome to the Health for Healing channel. Thank you for joining, and thank you to all who have subscribed. Have you ever thought about the benefits of drinking okra water every morning? Imagine starting your day with a glass of this unique, nutrient-packed beverage. It may seem unusual, but the benefits it offers are quite extraordinary. From boosting your immune system to aiding in digestion, okra water is a hidden gem in the world of natural health remedies. And the best part? You can prepare it right in your own kitchen. Stay tuned to discover the amazing benefits of okra water and how you can easily prepare it at home. Preparing okra water is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's embark on this healthful journey together. Step 1 involves choosing fresh okras. Look for bright green pods that are firm to the touch. Avoid those with blemishes or spots, as they may be past their prime. Remember, the fresher the okra, the more nutrients you'll extract. Next, we'll move on to step 2, washing our chosen okras. It's important to rinse them thoroughly under running water. This step ensures we remove any dirt or impurities that might be lingering on the surface. Now, we're ready for step 3, cutting the okras. Slice them into evenly sized pieces. This not only makes the soaking process more efficient, but also ensures a consistent taste in your okra water. With our okras ready, we move on to the 4th step, soaking them in water. Place the cut okras into a glass jar and fill it with water. Make sure all the pieces are submerged. Now, all we have to do is wait. Let the okras sit in the water overnight. This allows the nutrients to seep out, creating a nutrient-rich concoction by morning. The final step? Strain the water into a glass. Your okra water is now ready to drink. And there you have it, a simple, doable process that takes minimal effort and yields a powerful health drink. Now that we know how to prepare okra water, let's dive into its incredible benefits. Okra water is not just a drink, it's a health elixir, a phrase that's not just catchy, but also full of truth. This humble beverage, made from the okra plant, offers a banquet of benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into what makes okra water a champion among health drinks. First off, okra water is a digestive system's best friend. It's packed with dietary fiber, which aids in smoother digestion and helps prevent constipation. It's like a gentle broom, sweeping through your digestive tract, keeping things moving along nicely. Secondly, okra water is a boon for your skin. It's rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that help keep your skin glowing and youthful. These antioxidants fight off damaging free radicals, reducing the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. So, drinking okra water is like having a mini spa treatment, right in your own home. Thirdly, if you're someone managing diabetes, okra water could be your new ally. The soluble fiber in okra can help lower blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the blood. It's like having a little security guard, monitoring the sugar levels in your body. Lastly, but certainly not least, okra water promotes heart health. It contains potassium, an essential mineral that helps lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Additionally, the soluble fiber found in okra water can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. It's like having a personal trainer for your heart, helping it to stay strong and healthy. And these are just a few of the many benefits okra water brings to the table. It's truly a versatile drink, offering a wide range of health benefits, all packed into one simple, easy-to-make beverage. So, why not start your day with a glass of okra water? It's a small change that can make a big difference to your health. Thank you again for watching. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.